My name is Owen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, we have another site that's paying for doing a little bit of tasks. Usually you're done doing the tasks, get paid. So this one is called Goliker. So right now I'm on the sign up page. You can just put your phone number, your name, password. That's all. So like for me, since I've already made an account, I'll just come in. Let me just sign up. Let me just sign in. I already have an account. Okay, so this is the platform itself. If you're having any problems with the platform, they even have customer service lines where you can actually call them and make a complaint. So before we move any further, please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's any suggestion, any recommendation, you can let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to watch my previous videos on how you can make money in Zambia. You can just check out the channel, download. Okay, so here, these are the tasks. You can easily just do a task for 1 kwacha 15 goe. For those who want to, let me say, be making a lot of money in a day, like you make, let me say, make 108 kwacha a day. If you want to make 335 kwacha doing tasks a day, you have to upgrade these same sites. But if you just want to make some easy cash, you can just be doing the referral program, the affiliate program, where you just inviting people to the application or to the site. Then yeah, you get something, rather than, because some people will trust issues, so you can just do that. This is for the news. So the information, so in case maybe you want to withdraw, just click the withdraw button just there, then you withdraw. So that I'm not having any money, I'm sure you can check here on the balance, it's 0.0, totally nothing. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, if you love my content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. See you in the next video.